learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this month we're teaching you a very useful phrase, and that is 等一下, which means later. It could mean wait a minute, but we're teaching you in the capacity of later. What are you doing later? 等一下要干嘛啦？等一下要去哪里啦？等等这样子。
那客家話的等一下，等一下，
等一下，
或者可以說等下。
等下把一拿掉就好了。
對。
Okay, 等下 or 等一下 all means later. All right, when you're bored, you're going to ask your friends around you and ask them what they're going to do later. 其实通常很无聊的时候就会开始猛 call 啊，或者说你旁边有谁说好无聊，等一下要干嘛那样子，
对啊，
对不对？好，我们来 rate 一个这样子的一个 situation, okay? 好无聊哦 I'm so bored.
很無聊，
很無聊，
或者可以說很無搭對哦。
很無搭對哦，哎，这个感觉虽然比较多字，可是我觉得还蛮有特色的感觉，
聽起來很可愛。
对啊，
很無搭對哦。
很無搭對哦 or 很無聊 Two ways of saying I'm bored. And then my friend might say, hey, you know what? I'm going to go watch a movie later. You want to come along? 哎，我等一下想去看電影，你要一起去嗎？
我等一下。
我等一下。
想愛去看電影。
想愛去看電影。
唔愛看下戲幕。
唔愛看下戲幕。天樣 is a movie, okay? To watch a movie, 電影沒錯。然後你要去嗎？那這句話很好哦。
唔愛看下戲幕。
唔愛看下戲幕 That means do you want to come along? Okay? 有點還蠻有禮貌的在請他了哦。那當然了，好啊，好久沒看電影了，怎麼說呢？
好啊，當久冇看電影咧。
好啊，當久冇看電影咧。
我等一下想愛去看電影，唔愛看下戲幕。
哦呀，哦呀，哦呀。
好啊，看下來戲啊。
一定要去看電影啊。Okay, so that's a scenario where you're saying later you're going to go watch a movie and you're inviting your friend. Let's review some of these phrases like 好無聊 so bored.
很無聊。
很無聊。
或者可以說很無搭對哦。
很無搭對哦。Okay, those are both phrases describing I'm so bored. And finally, 一起去 meaning let's go together.
看下戲。
看下戲 that means together. Let's go do this thing, all right?
這樣才比較有伴。
哎，對
Okay.
我知道，我找到我的電影伴了。Right? And it's all about the phrase 等一下 later.
等一下。
等一下 or
或者說
等下。
對。
There you have it. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.